mujumbe bwe bunge ya South Mugirango ibo igole omorai bwe abange gosomo omojefu wipu ime ye bunge enene mosikisiribana Osoro niganyalika bagakomochia egati ya bagavana sogotabna nigo bagotumeka chinguru cia bobe nabo igono ene nibo eyo bakonyaraka bakoigwa serikali enene tiriko nyaraka bagekorekana eki egokora musike Osoro nigaringe gukwana iga kubwatakana amona mubulia mange agente kwene kigwa ase ense chinsemo awano ainime ye bunge igoro yobotumeki bwe chibastia NCCDF ase egati yabra ibakuragwa no murai bwe kiamo gyaudi musikirera muro dinga ahora kirikogania buna kiganje kirusigwe ase amaboko y'abajumbe na kubekwa insi y'amagoko y'abagavana gose insi ye county.
As we are right now, Honorable Speaker, education is a subject of the national government. What the hell does a governor, what interest does a governor have in distributing bursaries, Honorable Speaker, all over, Honorable Speaker, in secondary schools, in universities, and Honorable Speaker, what they do, they don't even give substantial amount. It's usually laughable. They only distribute, Honorable Speaker, about 2,000 shillings per student, or sometimes 1,000 shillings. Then they make a lot of noise about it. They move around. Honorable Speaker, it's really a question that we need to discuss. That our governor would move with a convoy of 40 vehicles to give a bursary of 5 million in a village. Then move to another one. He has another 60 vehicles. Half of them are carrying goons to give a bursary of 10 million, Honorable Speaker. Then here we are again. They raise issues of how we distribute, but with the meager resources that are oversighted by the members of this House, Honorable Speaker, we do not give 1,000 shillings. The members of the National Assembly oversight a committee of CDF, Honorable Speaker, but they do not give 1,000. They don't give 2,000, and you don't even shout about it. Honorable Speaker, this is really a question that really needs to be discussed upon, and that is why even today here, even as we discuss about the next agenda that we are going to have perhaps